This is Jeremy from jaredsystems.com. I'm going to show you our latest trigger system, which is the Galaxy Comet IR system. It comes with a trigger system, which is already attached to the drum, an LED strip, which I've tucked under the rim of the drum, and a power supply, either in the form of a battery or a wall supply. It also comes with this 44 button remote, which has several functions on it that I'll go over next. To begin with, let's turn on the power. The LED you see here, that's the color that the trigger is set to right now. So if I hit the drum, that's the color we get. With this remote, I can hit any of these select colors and immediately go to the new color. It also has these up and down controls for the red, green, and blue. So as we bring it down, the red washes out. You'll see a double yellow flash when you reach the extent of the adjustment. Also on this is a duration setting up here at the top, which gives you longer duration on the lights being on. Or you can bring it down to a very quick flash. The trigger sensitivity adjustment is these two buttons on the right hand side. They will make it either more sensitive or less sensitive depending on the setting that you have them at. There's an autosave feature here. When you get the settings the way you like them, you hit auto and it saves the settings that you have set up. Also on this system, there's an always on feature. This button controls that. So there's your always on. You can use the same color control with that. You can use the adjustment to change the color to a custom color if you want to. Also, while you're in the always on mode, you can go to the patterns. The first one is a flash pattern, which flashes the color that it's set to. And the speed is adjusted by the quick and slow buttons on the side. We have a 7-color fade, 3-color fade, a 7-color flash, and a 3-color flash. To exit the patterns, you just pick a color that you would like to go to, and that takes you out of the patterns mode. The remote also has 6 DIY buttons which allow you to save custom settings. So if you want to save green, for instance, hit the green button, press the pause button till you see the red light flash, and then select the DIY button that you want to save it to. When you see the 2 yellow flashes, that means it's been saved. Then to exit that, you hit the pause button again, and that DIY button will now be set to go to green whenever you want it to. If you want to come back to a certain setting when you turn the trigger off, set your settings to where you want them. In this case, I'm going to turn the sensor on, and I'm going to save the color to purple, and I'm going to hit the auto save button. This has saved my settings. So now when I shut the system off with the battery and turn it back on, it comes back to that save setting. Once the battery's turned back on, then I'm into my triggered mode. To pause the system, if you don't want it to play during a certain song, you hit the pause button. When you see the red light flash, that means nothing is going to happen. No trigger. When you're done with that song and you want to re-enter the triggered mode, push the pause button again and it will take you back to your original setting and you're ready to play again.